Hi YouTube.
Thank you for watching our special Valentine's video. I just wanted to show you a couple ways that we like to get a little festive around Valentine's Day. Also, I'm just going to show you a simple Valentine's lunchbox idea that we're going to make for Brooklyn. We did Brooklyn's hair, got special Valentine's nails, we got some special Valentine's decor from the polka dot barn. So we are all festive and ready to go have some fun and talk about love. Valentine's is all about love. Do you love your mommy? Do you love your mommy?
I love mommy.
You know that Valentine's is all about love?
Yes.
So you gotta love everybody. And I love you. I remember when you were just a little baby in this room. We had a lot of sleepless nights in this room, huh, Owen?
Yeah.
Owen didn't like to sleep a lot as a baby. And he liked to keep his mommy awake all night long. Just got done doing Brooklyn's nails and her hair. I tried to do like the Pinterest style, you know, the hearts. I think I did pretty good, don't you, Brooklyn? What? Hey, I did good, right? You didn't seem too sure of that. So Brooklyn and I both got some Valentine's nails. I did like a sparkly pinkish reddish. So this is the kind of lunch that I'm going to have to bring to her school because of the yogurt. This lunchbox is sealed, but just to keep it looking pretty.
Have this.
Yeah, you can have that. Just to keep it looking pretty, I'm going to bring it to her today.
I love kisses.
And have lunch with her at school.
I love
so that
kisses.
You do love kisses, huh? Ta-da! And I was even able to fit it all in the lunchbox. And even a little drink will fit in as well.
Mom. Dun, 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 dun. Led by